Showing your thank you. So, that just like that, जो जुल्म हुआ आपने देखा, हमने उस जुल्म का इकबाल करके इंसाफ पसंदी और हक का रास्ता इख्तियार किया है। मजहबी तफरीक की वजह से टुकड़ों में बिखरी हुई हमारी सल्तनत की तवारीख में आज का ये लम्हा हमेशा जिंदा रहेगा। ऐसे मतलब मैं थोड़ा
protocol. That is an ideal situation which, okay, for example, the way you sit in the class, the students, the way they are supposed to sit, the way they are supposed to listen, they are not supposed to disturb the teacher, they are not supposed to do anything else in the classroom when the teacher is teaching. So, a thing which is already set in the mind. But when we talk of classroom management, we are talking about making teaching and learning more enjoyable. You know, the students are enjoying while learning, while assimilating, and the teacher is also not stressed. So that is what I believe is classroom management. Making your teaching and the learning from the student's perspective enjoyable, assimilative. Right, sir?
Yes.
Thank you.
पर पुत्र हूं तुम्हारा, तुम माता हो। मैंने अर्जुन से कहा, सारे तुम्हारे कर्मों पाप पुण्य योगक्षेम मैं वहन करूंगा अपने इस कंधे पर। 18 दिन के इस भीषण संग्राम में कोई नहीं, मैं ही मरा हूं करोड़ों बार। जितनी बार जो भी सैनिक भूमिशाई हुए, कोई नहीं था, मैं ही था, गिरता था घायल होकर जो रणभूमि में। जीवन हूं मैं, तो मृत्यु भी तो मैं ही हूं मां। शाप ये तुम्हारा स्वीकार्य है। तो that was the
And not very
of noise and are busy with themselves.
showing your thank you. So that just like that, जो जुल्म हुआ आपने देखा, हमने उस जुल्म का इकबाल करके इंसाफ पसंदी और हक का रास्ता इख्तियार किया है। मजहबी तफरीक की वजह से टुकड़ों में बिखरी हुई हमारी सल्तनत की तवारीख में आज का ये लम्हा हमेशा जिंदा रहेगा। ऐसे मतलब मैं थोड़ा पर पुत्र हूं तुम्हारा, तुम माता हो। मैंने अर्जुन से कहा, सारे तुम्हारे कर्मों पाप पुण्य योगक्षेम मैं वहन करूंगा अपने इस कंधे पर। 18 दिन के इस भीषण संग्राम में कोई नहीं, मैं ही मरा हूं करोड़ों बार। जितनी बार जो भी सैनिक भूमिशाई हुए, कोई नहीं था, मैं ही था, गिरता था घायल होकर जो रणभूमि में। जीवन हूं मैं, तो मृत्यु भी तो मैं ही हूं मां। शाप ये तुम्हारा स्वीकार्य है। तो that was the
protocol. That is an ideal situation which, okay, for example, the way you sit in the class, the students, the way they are supposed to sit, the way they are supposed to listen, they are not supposed to disturb the teacher, they are not supposed to do anything else in the classroom when the teacher is teaching. So a thing which is already set in the mind. But when we talk of classroom management, we are talking about making teaching and learning more enjoyable. You know, the students are enjoying while learning, while assimilating, and the teacher is also not stressed. So that is what I believe is classroom management. Making your teaching and the learning from the student's perspective enjoyable, assimilative. Right, sir?
yes.
Thank you.
Of noise and are busy with themselves.
And not very this bad. First of all, I start class period, morning assembly, class itself, we engage the students, and when the assembly is over, I will ask them to sit down. And suppose the first subject is SST, which I take every day. So I will ask them to take their textbooks and text copies, and I will ask them about the previous class questions. They will answer the question. Secondly, which I find that many students don't bring the book. I am teaching as a ST, but they are not having the book. Now, the next step will be taken by me that if 2 or 3 students are not having the book, so I will ask them to share.
The students are already making a lot of noise and are busy with themselves. So to make them silent, make them pay attention in the class, you can do gestures and particularly point out to some of the students or do the clapping pattern to guide them, pay attention and be silent, and so the teacher can continue with this class and perform this chapter.
Kamran sir. क्या है टीचर किसका है टीचर?
विकास सर आपको कौन बुलाए थे? प्रियंका सिंह। कौन बुलाए थे विकास सर?
प्रियंका सिंह।
मेरा का प्रियंका मैम।
Take a long breath. Touch your cheek. Touch your cheek. Freeze. Open your eyes. Freeze. Open your eyes. Sir, freeze मतलब ऐसे ही जैसे किया तो ऐसे ही. हाँ, कमरान सर. बहुत नाम सुना मैंने आपका. Okay, look around. Okay, look around. Yes. What you feel? What you saw? What you feel? Somebody.
First, I would like to enter in the class and try to relate some previous things, and my focus will be how to make my chapter interesting by just telling the things. What is the use? Why you use this chapter in mathematics so that you can use in your life, you can help your father, mother, and in society also, and making some rules also, and friendly behavior with the students, and
First or second class in that school, I was sent to a section. It was not a proxy class, arrangement class, whatever you call it. So I was sent to a section, and I thought that I had a very good section. Everybody was listening. The boys and the girls in that section, they were listening and they were very attentive. Eye-to-eye contact. Not a single person was sleeping or. After 30 minutes or so, I thought, let me see what they have assimilated. And I did not get a single reply. Boom! My confidence was shattered like anything. Was I that bad? It was a completely lecture, and of course the topic was such. And then I returned to the staff room. I had a word with my colleagues because my confidence had been shattered. And they had a hearty laugh. They said, it's, in that particular section, most of these boys and girls, unfortunately, they are sort of drug addicts. Or they have, the boys especially, they would be having tobacco in their mouth. And that's why they were not responding. And the girls, they are like, orphan. So it was like a reality check for me. Can this happen with 9th or 10th class students? And it was a really revealing experience for me. And I realized.
Second, that is any kind of disciplinary issues. Third thing, that is report card or PTM. This thing I have considered as an urgent. Now comes to the not urgent. That regular attendance report, maybe if we are busy in some other work, so we can give excuse to the.
Hey, ma'am.
यहाँ पे एक ही वैल्यू देखना मुझे। सर राहुल सर, इनको वैल्यू देखना। ओके।
किसी
बैलून के अंदर पूरा फिल कर दीजिए। आप थोड़ा सा दबाते हुए, ज्यादा नहीं दबाना है। Now at once burst your balloon. सर का कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है। चलिए
नहीं मैम
ये ग्रुप यहाँ पे एक ही बैलून दिखना मुझे। सर राहुल सर इसको नहीं दिखा, इनको बैलून देखिए। ओके
दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
What are you doing? Out. Come out. Come. राउंड में जाइए और 10 चक्कर लगा के आइए। चलिए। You also. Go. Go and join. Go. Start the prayer.
As the instructor instructed us to line up ourselves and get ready for the prayer. And the moment the prayer started, we two boys started talking, and that is why he gave us punishment. After that, rest of the boys and girls started prayer in a disciplined manner. That is called discipline.
Yes sir.
दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
What are you doing? Out. Come out. Come. राउंड में जाइए और 10 चक्कर लगा के आइए। चलिए। You also. Go. Go and join. Go. Start the prayer.
As the instructor instructed us to line up ourselves and get ready for the prayer. And the moment the prayer started, we two boys started talking, and that is why he gave us punishment. After that, rest of the boys and girls started prayer in a disciplined manner. That is called discipline.
Yes sir.
That you all have to speak in English from today.
yes
Then leave the class, okay?
The thing is, the rules were for the secondary and senior secondary students. So as we have observed, some of the rules we have made, like students will wish as the teacher will enter the class. Next, come to the class on time. Student will keep their classroom clean. Next, they will stay seated unless
My mother tongue is also Hindi, but I am now speaking in English because it is important for your proper upbringing, for you to get a good job. So from today, I don't want to hear anyone speaking in Hindi. Let us start the class. First of all, I want to see yesterday's homework. Yes. Very good. Good. You need to work hard on that one. Okay, I will check all the copies. I will submit. Yes, where is your copy? This is not an excuse. You should have asked for the homework from anyone on the WhatsApp.
Sorry, from tomorrow I will do it.
Next time I won't allow this. Yes. You were present yesterday. I will not tolerate this. You are laughing also. You are sign out of this. I will talk to your parents. No, I will not tolerate. Sangat ka sir. Go.
Face the audience, sir.
ये क्या? गाना हूँ।
इतने ही आता था तो इतने ही बनाया नहीं था इसके आज
बदतमीज।
गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों
I have done well.
Don't do this in class, okay? Keep quiet and
बहुत बदमाशी करती है, दूसरे मारेंगे बोलेंगे।
class, behave yourself. We are in class, so be a nice student. If you will be stay quiet while the class is going on, I'll give you reward.
I need areas.
Okay, fine. Please, everyone, make silence and sit down. Okay? Let me check the copies, and nobody is going to make noise while checking the copies.
There are some extra chairs if you need, you can use that one. Classroom arrangement that can be done by those chairs.
Roll number 1, just take care, nobody is going to speak while I'm checking the copies, okay?
Just a demonstration we have given. So on that time, in earlier when Krishna ma'am was Hindi teacher and she wants to teach us, but on that time we were doing the mischievous things at the back side. We are not focused at all in the class. But after that again, music teacher came and he has given various kind of activities with us, and after that we are focused in the class, and the most indisciplined student converted to the disciplined student. So it is a kind of the transformation of the student that we can do as a teacher to give a happiness to the students. So that's all from our side. Thank you.
Sir, of the general classes, the students are not in queue. There are so many holding in the class. If this type of situations will be there, then what will happen? Other class will also be disturbed.
Thank you, sir. Right observing. Very good observation you have given. Actually, 1 minute. Actually, we were performing the two different routines. The first was the normal routine, and second was the transition routine. So my role was that during the transition period, most of the boys have gone their classes in music room, and you might have observed that I was still there. So some of the boys or some of the students are still sitting in the classroom while the transition period. So this is also a one drawback of this transition of the places. So we have to be attentive while taking the students in the different places.
Yes.
So since my interest was not music, so I was doing my drawing. So that time I was doing my drawing at that place. Okay.
Only, I think we have completed this session. And it's a quite difficult thing, I can say, to speak in front of a Singh sir. He is a mentor for me. I think he visited my previous school when I was a teacher. And it's a quite different thing that I am here as a BD and sir is in my school. Thank you, sir. And I'm thankful to Pramod sir and Samsir sir. And as I personally think that the storytelling is a best part of teaching, I can say. If you want to let your student explain or learn anything, so please tell them in a way of story. And that.
Yes, thank you to Sri J.C. Wama, Principal Modern Public School, for being such a perfect, or you can say perfect host, giving us such a beautiful platform. From the training to the training ambience to the excellent food, to everything, sir. It was all wonderful. Holding this workshop, 2 days workshop, under the aegis of CBSE seems easy. It's not easy. And Modern Public School has been doing this for the past couple of years with such ease and elan. Thank you, sir. My deepest regards to Shri K.K. Singh sir, Principal PVSS DB Public School. He's been a mentor, he's been a guide, a great educationist. When he speaks, everybody listens. His diction, his pronunciation, the clarity, his vision, everything is inspiring. What do you know about the word aura? So if you are near him, you cannot be left untouched. Thank you, sir, for your gracious presence here. Our deep gratitude to both the resource persons, Shri Pramod sir and Shri Samsir Alam sir, for the invaluable contribution towards enhancing our awareness on this topic. Seems easy, classroom management, but it is not easy. It's one of the most important aspects, and we have to, constantly improve ourselves in this on this front. Practice before you preach. That is what we should learn from both the resource persons. Pramod sir, with his ever cheerful disposition and demeanor, he's always cheerful. If you have noticed, if you are a first timer over here, he's always been cheerful, has lots of patience, doesn't lose his cool. And Shri Samsir Alam sir, with his wit and humor and exposure to the realms of theatre, which he actually brings on as an RP, is an invaluable asset for CBSE. Thank you, sir, for coming here. I would also like to put on record a significant role of Rahul sir and Tanushri ma'am. Rahul sir as the CBSE training coordinator. Works very hard, and both these personalities, Madam and sir, they make things look so easy and comfortable. But there's a lot of hard work behind this, and not just them, a lot of people who work behind the scene, the entire MPS family. Thank you to all of you. Just say we have been here for the last 2 days, and I think the conclusion has been very good. It's like 4 o'clock and we don't want to rush now. Yesterday it was like the first day and we wanted to end up early, we wanted to go. Today is the second day and the culminating day, we don't want to go. We may have another session, maybe. Thank you all for your presence. Take care, Godspeed. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, just like that,
protocol. That is an ideal situation which, okay, for example, the way you sit in the class, the students, the way they are supposed to sit, the way they are supposed to listen, they are not supposed to disturb the teacher, they are not supposed to do anything else in the classroom when the teacher is teaching. So, a thing which is already set in the mind. But when we talk of classroom management, we are talking about making teaching and learning more enjoyable. The students are enjoying while learning, while assimilating, and the teacher is also not stressed. So that is what I believe is classroom management. Making your teaching and the learning from the student's perspective enjoyable, assimilative. Right, sir?
Yes.
Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। मेरा एक बेटा है जिसका 25 साल उम्र है, NIT जमशेदपुर में पढ़ रहा है, 4th ईयर में।
Good morning, everyone. I'm having 2 daughters, and they are enjoying their childhood, and I'm also very happy.
Kamran sir. क्या टीचर किसका है देखिए तो विकास सर आपको कौन बुलाया प्रियंका सिंह कौन बुलाया विकास सर प्रियंका सिंह आर्यन मेरा का प्रियंका मैम
पर पुत्र हो तुम्हारा, तुम माता हो। मैंने अर्जुन से कहा सारे तुम्हारे कर्मों पाप पुण्य योगक्षेम मैं वहन करूंगा अपने इस कंधे का। 18 दिन के इस भीषण संग्राम में कोई नहीं, मैं ही मरा हूं करोड़ों बार। जितनी बार जो भी सैनिक भूमिशायी हुए, कोई नहीं था, मैं ही था, गिरता था गायब होकर जो रणभूमि में। जीवन हूं मैं, तो मृत्यु भी तो मैं ही हूं मां। शाप ये तुम्हारा स्वीकार्य है। तो दैट वाज द जो जुल्म हुआ आपने देखा। हमने उस जुल्म का इकबाल करके इंसाफ पसंदी और हक का रास्ता इख्तियार किया है। मजहबी तफरीक की वजह से टुकड़ों में बिखरी हुई हमारी सल्तनत की तवारीख में आज का ये लम्हा हमेशा जिंदा रहेगा। ऐसे मतलब मैं थोड़ा
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. So I have a daughter. She studies in class 8 in this school only. So as of now, she wants to become an IAS. Let's see further what happens, what her mind changes and all. But as of now, she wants to become an IAS officer.
Good morning, all of you. I have two sons, and one is preparing for BTech for engineering, and second is studying this time class A7. This is not decided.
Good morning, everyone. I'm also having one son studying in this school only class 8. As right now, yet he is having so many dreams in his eyes, and we as a parents are there to give him wings. But yet he is not particularly decided, and I also think the same that this is not. It's a very early age, but as he is having interest in science, hopefully he will become an engineer. Thank you.
Studying in the class 7 in secondary school, and son is in class standard 3. They have not decided, and we have also not decided. We have given the opportunity to them. Whatever they want to become, they will become. Great.
नमस्ते सर, नमस्ते सभी के। मेरे एक बेटा है, मॉडल पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ता है, क्लास 11 में है। अभी वो डिसाइड वो खुद करेगा वो क्या करेगा कि नहीं करेगा।
Good. Very nice. LKC, the field in which she will excel and take interest, I will be supportive in that field. Good.
Good morning, sir. So my name is C.K. Rubin, PhD English at Saint Sutrina, sir. I have a daughter and son. Daughter, she is the elder one, and son is due to her. So I just want that they become good human beings and with good values, and acquire multiple skills so that they can adapt and they are skillful enough, adept enough to cope with the challenges of modern times. Good human beings, sir. Thank you.
Teachings superpower, it would be me. It would be, I will make the student humanity first of all. Whatever the Indian culture and Indian heritage, they should know about the things. And the feeling of the mother, father, all those things. Because if I will teach the other subject also, they will make robotic things, they will make the whole world like a developed